How to sell cash secured puts on Webull. This video is the PC platform, and this video assumes you've already completed all the steps to open up options trading in Webull. You'll have to fill out a risk tolerance questionnaire. It's pretty easy, and it's more or less just to help you understand the risks of what you could be doing here in options trading. So once you fill that out, you should be able to get cash secured puts. And once you're here on the screen, first thing you'll want to check is your buying power. Top right here, it says TAV for total account value, and I have this blacked out, but you can just drop down and it'll show all your different buying powers for day trading, overnight buying power. You'll want to see options. I'll show you the options chain on a more popular ETF, SPY. And this one being so popular, it has plenty of expiration dates going as far out as 865 days. So tons of options for wheeling this particular stock. If you go in, we'll do 14 days just to show you how this works. You'll have your bid price, your ask price, the last price, percentage OTMs over here. Every row, of course, is its own strike. Once you decide which one, you'll click into the box here. Now, if you click something wrong, it may decide to put you in buy or sell. Don't worry about it. This box here, if you click it, it just changes the side. You can change your expiration, your strike, your limit price over here. By the way, this price is per share. So once you hit the place order button, you'll hit this confirmation screen that'll show you your break even and every other stat you're going to need to see. If you hit sell, it'll just start filling the order. For existing positions, it will show a sold put or a sold contract as a negative position, just like you would a short sell of a stock, so that you have to buy to cover that or buy to close that out. In the event that you sell several of the same contract for different prices over the course of a few days, for example, you'll see an average cost basis on your screen. If you like this video, you might also enjoy this one here on the screen. Subscribe to join the Cash Flow Club and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a single video.